Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Two major acquisitions were announced to investors this week. First, Guardian Holdings Limited has advised that on July 11, 2025, its board of directors approved a strategic initiative involving the acquisition of NCB Insurance Agency and Fund Management Limited Pension Fund Management Portfolio by Guardian Life Limited, its life, health, and pension business based in Jamaica. Next up, Kingston Wharves Limited has advised that on July 14, 2025, the company acquired 112,911,980 stock units in Cargo Handlers Limited, representing 27% of the company. Kingston Wharves has further advised that the company does not immediately intend to make any significant sales or purchases of stock units in Cargo Handlers. Kingston Wharves has also advised that the company does not plan to seek control of Cargo Handlers or to acquire a majority shareholding in the company. Currently, many persons are worried about the impact of issues like global leadership, changes to local leadership, and artificial intelligence taking jobs or making hiring unnecessary. Today, we speak to Elizabeth Terry, transformational trainer and coach, founder and CEO of Limitless Transformation Coaching and Training Services Limited. Ms. Terry, what are your views on the stress of rapid changes?
You are absolutely right, Denise, that change is accelerating at a pace. And so why do we feel so nervous? Because the ground is constantly shifting beneath our feet. And so we feel stressed and we feel overwhelmed. And it's really difficult to make good decisions under those conditions. And through the Rewiring for Success program that I'm offering, that program is designed to help to shift your thinking so that you can meet uncertainty with a level of clarity and confidence. When you can master your thinking and your emotions, then you can embrace change as an opening for possibility, for growth, and for opportunity.
For the trading period ending July 15, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 2,219,099 units traded, representing 17.47% of market sales volume. Food distribution firm Spur Tree Spices Jamaica Limited with 1,141,331 units traded, representing 8.98% of market sales volume. Medical supplies distribution firm R.A. Williams Distributors Limited with 1,099,950 units traded, representing 8.66% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On July 15, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $40.85 million purchased and US $53.39 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.75 per dollar, selling the US at $161.30 and buying the US at $159.55. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $4.92 per transaction, with selling at $118.09 and buying at $113.17. The British pound yielded Forex traders $3.79 in profit, with selling at $214.73 and buying at $210.94. For our credit report tip of the day, are you ready to scale your business beyond the solopreneur phase? Well, start by putting your credit score to work. Instead of waiting on a windfall or draining your savings, take immediate action to build your funding foundation. Review your credit report with intention. Eliminate late payments and use a secured credit to rebuild if necessary. And apply for a business credit card that reports to commercial bureaus. And finally, create a funding roadmap aligned with your scaling goals. These strategic credit actions can unlock access to capital, giving you room to hire, delegate, and expand with confidence. Your credit score isn't just a reflection of your past, it's a tool you can actively shape to secure your future. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.